Russian President Vladimir Putin is eager for a one-on-one meeting with President Donald Trump, but Ukrainian leadership insists that there can be no negotiations without their involvement.
It is clear that any deal behind our backs will not work. Any agreement will need also Ukraine and Europe being part of it, and this is clear that appeasement also always fails.
Zelensky told reporters that he trusts Trump not to give Russia undue consideration over Ukraine, but affirmed, quote, there can be no talk about Ukraine without Ukraine. Ukraine is also adamant that European nations must be brought to the negotiation table to ensure a stable agreement with multilateral security assurances. Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov has called the Trump administration, quote, far more appealing and open to dialogue than former President Joe Biden. The U.S. president spoke to both nations' leaders on the phone, expressing optimism that a mutually acceptable arrangement was on the horizon. Peskov said the Kremlin is still waiting for initial proposals before finalizing the location and timing of in-person talks.